Okay, that's all for today. I guess everybody's quite tired and it's time to go home and get some rest. That ends the day. Now it's 5:34 a.m. Almost sunrise. Going to be your attitude, not aptitude. Aptitude will determine your altitude. Wow, such nice quotes. Okay, tonight I'm at Mydin Subang. Currently my subcon is going to replace the ACB, alright, at the chiller room. The ACB need to replace due to the yellow phase bus bar is loose termination, so causes excessive overheating. Thus, the termination is faulty, gets melted. So no choice, have to replace the whole set because it's all interlinked. Alright, I'm climbing up to the chiller rooftop now. It's quite late at night. Okay, here I am at the rooftop. This is Mydin Subang rooftop. Okay, this is the rooftop. Behind here is the USJ1 condo. Okay, I'm on the way to the chiller room. Okay, that's my man. Hi. Okay, yeah. Hey, later you kena buka LV bawah. Saya ada tukar itu meter dengan relay. Nanti ya, saya tengok dulu. Okay. This is Mydin Subang chiller room. Big chiller installation. Alright. TNNS are replacing the Mitsubishi Electric ACB. Okay. Yellow phase faulty. Okay, now I'm on the way going back to the LV room and the HV room to replace some meter and protection relay. I'm currently recording using the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, how's the low light performance? How's the audio? Clear? Crispy? Ini Atif. Atif. Alright, after several hours later, now I guess the subcon have already done all the installations. Just let's go have a look. Oh, okay, baru tidur sekejap. Oh, okay. Wah, sudah mau siap ah. Okay ah? Oh, belum sambung kabel. Pas. Okay, this is the faulty ACB. Let's take a closer look what is happening here. So from here we can see the joint between here and here are having some burn mark. So most probably this is the area where the fault occurs, which causes excessive high temperature. We have a little bit here also, but the most serious is over here. Let's take a closer look. Okay, this is the overall housing for the previous ACB. We replaced back the same model. Okay, this is another view from a different angle. This is from the inner view. Okay, from the inner view we don't see any burn mark. So most probably is this connection between here and to the back. Okay, here I'm with Mr. Atif. We have just never sleep for 5 to 6 hours because of waiting for this job to finish.
Actually, you do 14 hours.
Oh yeah.
More than 14 hours.
More than 14 hours. So tomorrow he's working. He's working tomorrow.
Let's see tomorrow what happens.
What happened? Nothing happened. It will be as usual. Rest of working. In another 30 minutes the job will be finished, so we hope everything went well. We will energize back and test the chiller. Okay, this is the basic tools for bus bar modifications and installations. Here we have this is the bender, 45-90 degree bender for the bus bar. And over here, this is the cutter used to cut the bus bar. And over here, this is the hole puncher where you have to punch the hole based on the thickness of the bus bar, and also you can choose the desired size. Here you can choose how big to punch through the bus bar, and this is the hydraulic machine. Okay, here we have the dismantled faulty bus bar with all these burn mark. Okay, this is where the excessive overheating occurs, causes burn mark over here. As you can see from this bus bar, this is caused by the melted insulation. It needs about 70 or 80 degrees Celsius to heat up and melt the insulations, the PVC insulations. This is the protective sheath, which normally they use to heat shrink at the bus bar. Okay, it's quite bad, caused by the heat. It's mainly due to the high current consumption of the chiller. Okay, here we have the newly installed Mitsubishi Electric ACB 1600 amp 3-pole. Okay, This is the old one. Okay, now we are testing the ACB racking in operation testing. Okay, got see on off few times. Okay, cantik. Okay, saya cek belakang. Double confirm always. Always double confirm. Not here. Here. Okay. Make sure cable tighten everything. Okay. All terminal tighten. Okay. Ini sebelah bus bar semua tak ada musik kan? Okey ya. This is very important because I have to double check everything, make sure there's no short circuit before normalizing the power supply. Safety. This is best practice. Short between 2% or 3% to have a different angle of view. Just to double confirm and double check there's no issue and no problem before energizing the installation. Okay, everything okay. Now I go to normalize the power supply. 11 kV. Once transformer energized, ACB incomer will have power supply. Tadi ada rack out ah? Ada? Tak ada rack out ah? Confident juga ah? Okay. Okay, this is the 11 kV VCB. Now we're going to on it using the remote. Okay, let's go have a look and on the ACB. Okay, let's energize the ACB, yeah. Let's check the voltage. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, shunt trip testing. Bukan, belakang kasih short saja. Itu dia punya tip wire. Terminal number 4 and number 5. Pakai ini. Just jump saja. Number 4, number 5. Itu bukan sana. Sana. Ya. 4 and 5. Yes. Ah, yes, boleh. Sun chip boleh, no problem. Okay. Ah. Okay. So no problem lah. Chiller boleh jalan. Ah. Ah, so kita boleh balik tidur lah. Wow, this is the stuff that need to be carried on just to replace one single unit of ACB. 5 manpower to do the job. So heavy this equipment. 2 trolley to get rid of it all. Well, I'm really inspired by the teamwork and the hardship they embrace after many hours of non-sleep, completing the job, and they still can smile happily, having the thoughts of going home, have a nice shower, and get some sleep. It's so meaningful. Okay, I'm heading back home now. The time is 5:50 a.m. It's quite early in the morning. I need to head home before the traffic becomes heavy. Okay. Goodbye. See you again.